before we begin, I've got one question for you.
Yeah?
What are those? 8 seconds. Okay, yeah, you're good, you're good. Stop the timer, quick. Yeah, yes! High five. Up top, up top. You wanted a DNF, right? Yeah, that's definitely a +2.
What note is it?
Yeah, that's a plus.
NotKevin.
It's +2, right?
Yeah, it's a +2.
So
Wait,
good.
but he moved.
It's a +2.
He moved it.
All right, Henry, you ready? Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. You didn't see that, did you?
No.
Okay, good.
I didn't, don't worry.
All right, so it's right here, right? Right? It's right there. It's right there, right?
Yeah.
Where's your cube now? Sorry, there was a spider. Continue. Continue. Hey, runner? Yeah, you're a runner, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your mile time?
It's not like that runners. We just bring stuff.
Oh, you bring me stuff. Got it. Okay, go away. Hey, could we get a runner? Runner. Yeah. Could you like bring me a sandwich?
No, we bring you cubes.
Oh, cubes. Okay. Sugar cubes then? Ice cubes? Oh, cube steak. There we go.
What?
Go get it. Henry. This is FMC, not 3x3.
What?
This is FMC. No. Just stop the timer and start over. It's okay. We can let you do another attempt. I lied. DNF. It was a DNF.
NotKevin.
It was DNF.
NotKevin.
It was a DNF.
It's a DNF.
Oh, hey, you're a scrambler, right?
Yeah.
Could you get me some eggs? All right, thanks. Oh, Henry, someone else has to use this station.
I'm in the middle of the solve.
No, they have to use it.
You can't.
They have to use it.
Wait, who? Who has to use it?
His name is John C. Huh. It's a pretty nice time you got there. 6.24 seconds, I see. Here you go. Why don't you go ahead and sign off on that?
You haven't signed yet.
You know, I've got a YouTube channel. You might want to consider, subscribing. You know what I mean?
I'm comfortable with that.
You know? I mean, it would be terrible if I forgot to sign it and your time was invalidated.
Okay, alright, I'll do it. Wait, who are you again?
You don't know who I am?
No.
I don't want your support anyway.
Okay. Oh no, but I'm Submitch.
Okay, Henry, before we begin, I've got one question for you.
Yeah.
What are those? What are those? What are those? You better tell me what those are. I want to know what they are. What are those? What are those? $528.99. Wait, that's 5 minutes off.
I've been practicing. I'm finally under 6 minutes, guys.
Okay, I'm just gonna slap the table and say there was a spider. Just in the middle of yourself. Just like that. Hey guys, thanks for watching this World's Worst Rubik's Cube Judge Ever Part 3 video. If you want to check out the first one, click here. If you want to check out the second one, click here. This video is brought to you by thecubicle.us, which is where I get all of my speed cubes and puzzles. If you want to get something from thecubicle.us, you can use the offer code POCKETS to get 5% off of any order there. It saves you money and it shows your support for this channel so that I can continue making cool videos like this in the future. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on Friday.